Two popular web hosting giants, one burning question: which one actually gives you the edge? On the left, Hostinger, known for its budget-friendly plans and fast performance. And on the right, FastComet, famous for its top-notch customer support and features. Let's skip the marketing hype and see what they truly offer. We'll judge them point by point so you'll know exactly who takes the lead. The outcome could catch you off guard. Here's our game plan. We'll break things down category by category: price, performance and uptime, features and resources, security, data centers, and finally usability and support. Sound good? Let's map it out. Alright, let's talk dollars. Price. Hostinger comes swinging with super low entry plans, some as cheap as $2 a month. That's wild, right? They even keep costs competitive on VPS and cloud plans. Only catch is you gotta sign a long-term contract to snag those prices. Now, FastComet, their pricing is transparent and you get a nice buffet of plan options, but honestly the minimum is just a bit higher. And if you go for dedicated servers, it gets pretty pricey. For pure value, Hostinger steals the win here for bargain hunters. Performance and uptime, because nobody wants a slow website. Hostinger promises that classic 99.9% uptime and their servers are tuned up nicely, but let's be real, sometimes the speeds just aren't quite up to FastComet's level. FastComet, on the other hand, also guarantees 99.9% uptime, but they back it up with real-world speed thanks to SSD tech and some under-the-hood wizardry. If you want the absolute fastest loading times, FastComet pushes ahead and grabs the crown for this round. Next up, features and resources. Hostinger throws in up to 200 gigabytes of SSD storage, unlimited bandwidth, a free domain, SSL, and automated backups. Not bad at all, right? The only thing missing is a dedicated hosting option. FastComet gives you free SSL, daily backups, unmetered bandwidth, and even lets you pick cloud and dedicated CPU, so a bit more flexibility there. But, and this is big if you've got loads of files, shared hosting storage maxes out at 35 gigs. For pure feature value, Hostinger takes this one, especially for storage lovers. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know FastComet was one of the first hosts to offer free daily backups even on their entry-level plans? Yeah, that's a serious bonus if you've ever accidentally nuked your website. Security. Hostinger keeps it simple: free SSL, automatic backups, but one little hiccup: there's no real-time malware scanning on all plans. FastComet comes back swinging with free SSL, daily backups and restore options, and a strong malware shield. However, the fanciest protections are only found on their premium plans. Still, if you're obsessed with security, FastComet has the upper hand. Let's talk data centers, something most folks forget. Hostinger, they're like everywhere, over 21 locations worldwide, making them awesome if you want global reach or faster loading for an international crowd. FastComet's good here too, with 11 plus locations, mostly nailing it in the US and Europe. But if you want ultimate choice, Hostinger covers more ground and gets the win. Last but super important, usability and support. Hostinger sports their own control panel. It's called H-Panel. It's very clean, simple, and honestly perfect if you're just starting out. But if you're used to cPanel, you might need a minute to adjust. FastComet, old school cPanel included with 24/7 support that's actually responsive, not just a chatbot. For that personal touch in classic setup, FastComet comes out ahead. If you're a visual person, check this out, a radar chart. You can really see where Hostinger and FastComet have their strengths. Hostinger dominates in pricing and global coverage. FastComet lights up when it comes to performance, security, and support. So what's the verdict? If you're saving every penny or you want beginner-friendly controls and massive storage space with international reach, Hostinger is the way to go. But if you're all about ultra-fast speeds, top-notch security, and you love having support at your fingertips, FastComet is honestly hard to beat. Pick what fits your vibe and your site. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.